Hello friends, my name is Rishu Mishra. I am student of Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. I am currently pursuing my BTech second year. My topic name is fluid. Fluid means nothing but any tendency to flow is called as a fluid. There are three types of fluids: kinematic fluid, dynamic fluid, and static fluid. Static fluid at any the fluid in which substance at rest, any substance at rest is called as static fluid. Kinematic fluid, the fluid in which motion without consideration of forces is called as a kinematic fluid. And dynamic fluid in which the motion with consideration of forces is called as a dynamic fluid. There are five types of fluids: ideal fluid, real fluid, non-Newtonian fluid, Newtonian fluid, ideal plastic fluid. Ideal fluid is an imaginary fluid. And second point is it is contain no viscosity and incompressible also. Real fluid is a compressible and it contains viscosity also, possess viscosity also. Is called as a real fluid. Real fluid is not imaginary fluid. It is used in real life. And real fluid example is rubber and like stretchable substance is called as a example of real fluid. Newtonian fluid or it is a real fluid in which the shear stress is directly proportional to shear stress. Shear stress is increases, then shear strain also increases. It is called as a Newtonian fluid. And Newtonian fluid is obey the Newton law of viscosity also. And example is alcohol. Then non-Newtonian fluid. Non-Newtonian fluid, it is a shear stress is not directly proportional to shear stress. Shear stress is not directly proportional to shear stress is called as a non-Newtonian fluid. And it is not obey the Newton law of viscosity also. Example paint and custard also. And last fluid type is ideal plastic fluid. Ideal plastic fluid is more important. The fluid is shear stress is directly proportional to rate of shear strain and shear stress is 8 point, more than 8 point is called as a ideal plastic fluid. Example fly ash clay. These five types of fluid in explanation in graphically form. We are discussed about Newtonian fluid also. Then shear stress is denoted by torque and shear strain is divided by radius. But if shear stress is increases, then shear strain also increases. And Newtonian fluid, it is explained also this also graphically. And ideal fluid is a real state fluids and so body it belongs to shears. If nothing but non-Newtonian fluid is not directly proportional, then indicates straight line also. Ideal plastic fluid, it is considered rate of shear stress is directly proportional to rate of shear strain. So it is playing initial role in this graphical representation. And 8 point shear strain is more than 8 points. And we also consider that non-Newtonian fluid. It has a basic explanation in this. That they also ideal fluid in which the compressible, incompressible, imaginary fluid then no considered as light. Ideal plastic considered as light, and Newtonian fluid, non-Newtonian fluid also considered as curved side non-Newtonian fluid, and Newtonian is straight line. And most important role in the shear stress, and shear stress is denoted to torque, and the shear stress is divided by the changing something